The business. What you say, Jenna?
Lose it without you. I can't help myself from thinking about you. And I know you feel the same. Something that I've been wanting to say. Yeah. What you think about us, baby? What you think about us, baby? What you think about us? I could be wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah, it's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What? No, it's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Yeah, called it. Knew I would end up falling. Baby, we could take it further than now. Tell you what I've been thinking about. Yeah, thinking about us, baby. I'm thinking about us, baby. I'm thinking about us. I could be wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah, yeah. It's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What? No, it's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Yeah, it's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What? No, it's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Think about us, baby. What you think about us, baby? Just think about us. I could be wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah.
The business. What you say, Jenna?
Lose it without you. I can't help myself from thinking about you. And I know you feel the same. Something that I've been wanting to say. Yeah. What you think about us, baby? What you think about us, baby? What you think about?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I have this hair from Unice hair. This is their 18-inch highlighter wig. So we're gonna get right into this review. So the wig came into this. So in the clip before, you did see me install the wig, but I didn't get to finish because something had happened and I just put that clip in. So at least I'll show y'all what the wig looked like when I first got out the box. I did bleach the knots though, and I did pluck it before I installed it. But that's what it looked like. That's why it was so puffy, because I had washed it from me bleaching the knots. So that's what it looked like. So the hair is straight, but I did add some wand curls up in it because I wanted just to, you know, do something different. I put it on the side part. So this is a 13x4 highlighted straight lace front human hair wig. It's 150 density and it is 18 inches. So yeah. So it came in this box. So I guess Amazon now don't do the outside boxes, or maybe that's just Unice hair. I'm not sure, but the box came like this. like my address is right here, and then this is just the box, and then this is the bag. Cause you know usually Amazon boxes come in like it come in a bag, and then the box is in that bag. But inside the box, it came the wig was in this bag, some lashes, some wig caps, and then a sheet of paper. Well, not a sheet of paper, but the informational card to tell you about it, like a little pamphlet. So yeah. So this 18-inch wig is $116. And then if you add tax, sometimes I'll be adding tax to around up to like more. But that is the starting price right there. So this wig also comes in this brown color and comes in red. The highlights can be red. But I chose this brown one. So I part it in the middle. So I just put it on the side, so it has this like highlight peekaboo color. But yeah. So with shedding and tangling, I do not receive any tangling. I do not receive any shedding. The hair is very, very like silky. Usually when you get straight hair and you wash it, it isn't like, and you try to straighten it again, it does not get straight. When I straightened this hair, it got straight. And you can tell by when I curled it also how silky it is. Because some hair, just after you wash it, is not the same. And I washed this hair after I bleached it out, and it's snapped right back. So I love it. I'm in love. So that is it for this review report. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, comment down below and I'll answer you. This is a really, really nice silky wig, and I'm in love. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.
Wait for your boss. Don't be late. No, no, no.